Hi, welcome back. Let's have a look at this problem. Here we have x to the power of x to the power of 888. That means x raised to the power of x to the 888. It doesn't mean x to the power of x all raised to the power of 888. They're completely different things. If you don't have brackets showing here, this is the default that you assume. Okay, so this equals 888. I'm now going to raise both sides to the power of 888. So 888 here and 888 here. Now let's look at this rule. This tells us if we have a number raised to the power of a and we raise all of that to the power of b, we can rewrite that as the same number raised to the power of a times b, or to the power of b times a. Or we can switch the powers around and write that as the number to the power of b to the power of a. Now if we apply that to the left hand side, we get x to the power of 888 and then all of that to the power of x to the power of 888. And that all equals 888 to the power of 888. So if we think of this term as being a and this term as being b, all we've done is switch these around. So the 888 goes down here, the x of the 888 goes up here. Now, how does this help us? Well, if I write this out again, you might be able to see. We've got x to the power of 888. Let's put a bracket around that. And at the top, we've got x to the power of 888. This all equals 888 to the power of 888. Now, can you see how similar these two terms are? The only way that this can actually be true is if x to the power of 888 equals 888. So x to the power of 888 must equal 888. Therefore x is simply 888 raised to the power of 1 over 888. And we got that by taking the 888th root of both sides. Did you get it?